Hi friends, today we are going to discuss interview questions, and the most important question is Spark SQL optimization, that is the Catalyst optimizer. What do you understand by Catalyst optimizer? That is a Catalyst query optimizer in Apache Spark. Now we will discuss about Catalyst meaning in our general chemistry that was studied in our earlier studies, and it refers to something that causes a change or reaction to take place. In school days, we have studied about catalyst. What is the meaning of catalyst? That is, hydrogen peroxide will decompose into water and oxygen gas. Two molecules of hydrogen peroxide will produce two molecules of water and one molecule of oxygen. A catalyst of potassium permanganate can be used to speed up this process. Adding potassium permanganate to the hydrogen peroxide will cause a reaction that produces a lot of heat and water vapor will shoot out. What is the meaning of optimize? Optimize means to make the best possible way of something. For example, if you optimize your home storage capacity, you clean and organize your closets and drawers to be able to fit the most in. In Spark also, this optimization is done by Catalyst optimizer. Catalyst optimizer works on query plan in different phases: analysis, logical plan, physical plan, and code generation. The result of it is a DAG of ODD. What is the Spark's SQL's optimizer is? Catalyst. It optimizes all the queries written in Spark SQL and data frame. Now we will see Spark SQL execution plan. We have 4 phases in Catalyst general tree transformation framework. First one is analysis, that is rule executor. It transforms an unresolved logical plan to a resolved logical plan. And we use catalog to find where data sets and columns are coming from and types of columns. And logical optimization. This transforms a resolved logical plan to a optimized logical plan. And the next one is physical planning. In physical planning, transforms optimized logical plan to a physical plan. And then finally, we will generate the code. That is, it generates Java bytecode to run on each machine. Catalyst uses the special feature of Scala language, quasi-codes to make code generation easier because it is very tough to build code generation engines. So we will see the pictorial representation for our easy understanding. In this, we have Spark core. Spark SQL, that is SQL and data frame Catalyst. In Spark SQL, we are using Catalyst. To run our Spark queries, that is SQL queries, suppose if you are having more number of subqueries, that is lengthy query is there, then we will be our Spark framework itself having Catalyst optimizer. So Catalyst is there in between Spark core and also Spark SQL. Okay. So we will see what are the sources. Here we have SQL, AST, data frame, data set, that is Java, Scala. All these data frames we have. First, what we do is we generate query plan. That was discussed earlier. From query plan, we will generate optimized query plan. In between query plan and optimizer query plan, we do analysis. That is, we convert unresolved logical plan into logical plan using catalog, and then logical plan will be converted into optimized logical plan using logical optimization, and then we will generate physical plans using, we will have many number of physical plans. There are about 500 lines of codes in the physical planning rules. In this phase, one or more physical plan is formed from the logical plan using physical operator machines, the Spark execution engine, and it selects the plan using the cost model. It uses cost-based optimization only to select join algorithms. We will choose the best costing model, and then we will generate the code. We select the best physical plan, and then we generate the code. In the generating code, the final phase of Spark SQL optimization is code generation. So it involves generating Java bytecode to run on each machine. Catalyst uses this special feature of Scala language, that is quasi codes, to make code generation easier because it is very tough to build code generation engines. As a result, Spark SQL optimization enhances the productivity of developers and the performance of the queries that they write. So whatever we have discussed in the Catalyst, that is converting from query plan to optimizer query plan, I have given separately this pictorial representation. We call it as those converting query plan to optimizer query plan. We call all those phases, we call it as transformations. So that's why I mentioned it as the term transformations. At the end, we will receive code generation. So whatever happening in between query plan and optimizer query plan, we call it as abstraction of user programs. So those are all trees. Internally, Spark framework will take care of it. Here I am going to explain with an example of SQL query, that is Spark SQL query. Here we are taking an SQL query with subquery. So we are taking all those aggregations, projection, filtering, and then joining we are applying here. So I am going to optimize this query using Catalyst optimizer. First, we are converting into logical plan. Then I am converting to physical plan. And then what are the transformations here happening? Here we are adding. We are adding here, and then we are getting the results. That is 20,000 and 1,000. So here we are evaluating 3,000. So internally we are using push down method here. And then folding. we apply all the rule executors that are discussed earlier. So finally, we are generating the Java bytecode. So the Java bytecode will be used to rerun the same SQL query, that is a Spark SQL query, every time. So we don't need to run the query without optimizations. Already we have generated the same code will be run whenever we want. We don't run the same query. We using Java bytecode, we run the query, we apply on top of the data, and then we reduce the execution time. That's all. Thank you, friends.